How's it going, guys? I'm out here today in the abandoned village of Yellow Dog, Pennsylvania with my favorite nephew. And this place has some interesting history. So it was originally built as housing for the local limestone miners. They worked in the mines just up over that hill, and part of the agreement was the mining company was going to build easy, affordable housing for the workers so that way they could make it to work easily. There's a lot of muddy, bogged down roads that had trouble getting to work, and it was costing the company money. So the mining company agreed to build the houses out here. And also, the other end of the agreement was that the miners wouldn't unionize against the company. And from what I've heard, it was a really tight-knit community, lots of young families living here. And unfortunately, the mines eventually went out of business, and that's how we have a little ghost town. Anyways, enough yapping, let's go check it out. Here's the old kitchen.
Oh, also, it's my favorite record.
Wow, yeah.
The Hollies.
The Hollies.
Never heard of that, but there's another one right there, and a few right there, and a few right here.
All these old records, man. You can definitely tell this family left in a hurry.
Yeah.
Normally they would have grabbed that, but...
I personally think that they just... I personally think that they realized that they listen to trash music, so... you know. Because all that music I've never heard of, and so it's definitely trash.
Beautiful old piano. This is amazing. Let's take a look at the upstairs.
Did the keys suck on it, or I was gonna do the Jaws thing?
Jaws music.
Where I don't want them to move. Leave, Peggy. Alright, that's where the door I don't want them to move.
Looks like this family took some more stuff with them.
Yeah.
They didn't leave quite as much.
This family's boring. And maybe that family across was one of those families whose family part fell apart.
Yeah, it might have been, because you could tell they left a lot of valuable stuff and just got out.
Horses.
Hey, there's an attic over here.
There is? Jeez, I bet you did. There's nothing in there. This would be a lot interesting if this family was divorced. You know?
You never know. Wow, this was another loft bedroom up here. Watch out for that hole in the floor.
Whoa, this is falling apart.
They left some sort of a riddle down here. What is the thinnest book in the world? What men know about women. Huh. I wonder if that was here with the original family or another visitor left it.
Oh, whoever it was is hilarious.
Look, you got a test here. Passenger transport test. Bunch of old clothes. Some of the items you've seen here, they're not from too long ago either.
Put men on.
Wow, this is so cool.
My car. My car. Woo! This one kind of creeped me out.
Go on in.
Ladies first.
Oh, thank you, kind sir.
Yes. I mean, Marcus is first.
Check this out.
Oh, this pretty creeps.
A message.
This is my kind of...
Help me. Wow.
Wow. I wonder what kind of...
I think they just rolled on out.
people were just like,
This is interesting. It's different design than the duplex we were in.
yeah, this is a nice house. I wonder if there's any creepy, long-legged buddies in here. I was gonna touch something, but I'm not touching any of this. So, this is my favorite food. Spam. It tastes like wham. Spam tastes like wham, just spam here.
Ooh.
Stinky?
No, lots of stuff.
Ooh.
Watch your step, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit. Oh. Hey, do you think the horses come down here?
Nah.
I don't know. It looks like horses were partying down here. Definitely a little messy. These guys really need to clean their room.
Yeah.
The ultimate. Oh.
Lots of broken glass.
A lot of paint.
Old heating unit.
I wonder how they got to it. Definitely a heating. I bet you this was a really nice house too. Or
Oh yeah.
what I'm thinking,
Back in its day, it was probably beautiful.
I bet you this is what I'm thinking. It's a really nice house, but then people moved in.
One on top of the hills, the old boarding house.
Because he said the roof was going inwards, which is going to make this whole thing fall apart. So. That's
Man.
Whoa. If we fall through the floor, blaming you.
Fair enough.
Nah, that's a joke.
Wow.
Bowel cleaning. Yuck. Paint packing strip. Whoa. Alright. Whoa. Don't step there.
Floorboard's a little weak.
Yeah, it's gonna fall.
Look at that old TV.
Alright. Grapes. Good. Grapes. A little smashed up. A little glassy. Alright, I'm gonna take a picture of this real quick. Hold up.
Wow, the whole furniture set got left. Old newspaper,
Sweet. What does it say?
March 2011. No fire station closings and works as merger talks continue. Wow.
Does this say Gandhi's?
Allied strikes against Gaddafi's compound.
Oh.
I was in high school when that was happening. Wow. That newspaper just made me feel old.
I'll ask you who that was later. But let me ask a question. And look at this paper on the walls. Whoever put this paper on the wall were nerds. It's not even historical evidence for that. They're just nerds because they feel like they are.
There's a whole other side of the neighborhood there.
Can we go over there or is it?
No, I think that part's getting renovated.
Ooh. I want to go up to that top.
Hey, there's another attic.
Hey. Obama. Oh, this is newer. Got this room real quick. More newspapers.
Man, these upstairs rooms are really cool.
Wow, this is new. This is paper walls. Oh, look, you can see the bricks and stuff.
The right side of the street has one design of house, single family. And then the left side over here has all duplexes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's...
I wonder the street behind us that's actually getting worked on. I kind of want to go see what the structure of those is like. If it's the same setup, maybe different.
Wow, now we're going going hiking and exploring the abandoned house.
That's right.
Got everything. And sure.
I would have loved to see these houses in their heyday. Like this would be a beautiful porch,
They are
little
in
single
their
family
heyday.
home.
They are in their heyday. Have you seen the horses?
Oh, good one.
Yeah, I know. I'm funny.
I see what you did there.
Yeah,
look.
It really does have the same structure. Look. Wow.
Old AC unit.
Biohazard and infectious waste. See?
Ooh. Yeah, it would have been tough to live back in these houses with no central heating or AC.
Yeah, I bet you that.
Just the window units, they only do so much.
I bet you that was from someone just had like diabetes or something. They just needed insulin.
Yeah, that could be it.
Either that.
We may never know. That's the fun part about these abandoned places. We can come in and see all the things left behind. And then, as part of the mysteries, trying to paint a picture of what happened here and what the residents were like.
What happened here is someone drank the dad's jelly. Well, no, this is a candle, but other than that, someone ate the dad's jelly. And you got mad, and the whole family fell apart.
Watch out for those boards in the floor so they have nails on them. Look at this. It's an old fax machine.
Wow, look. What is this? There's plastic plates over there.
Wow.
Baby ones too. So these guys were just nuts. Totally insane.
Little storage unit.
No one buys. No.
Smoking Aces.
What?
There's a movie on the floor, DVD. There's another one over here.
Oh.
Frontiers. Interesting.
Frontier's the secret. There's something there and also another something. Very interesting. Oh, and a fan.
Looks like... What is that?
Fluffles.
Old Mike.
They had kids. And then
Wow.
I can absolutely tell you that they had
Old yearbooks.
more. Oh, these guys are gonna be nerds.
West Hills Elementary, 2003.
2003.
Wow.
Oh, I didn't know this.
So you know what?
This is like one of those divorced families, I think, that the guy was talking about. Oh, and
May have been.
that's what I think it is, but that's just personal. This is a journal.
This is so wild.
Let me see real quick.
I remember yearbooks like this.
2nd grade. Miss Hester. Miss Smelter.
West Hills. Wonder if this was elementary. Yeah. That's so wild.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna open its eyes. Oh, now I'm cursed, so. Plenty of bras in here. North
Yeah.
Buffalo Elementary, jeez. Oh!